Good morning. Alright, it's Monday, and it is Motor Mount Monday. So, I don't have the ability to put that body on here while I'm test fitting. So I've done about 100 measurements, and I'm pretty good here. For anybody else doing this, the Scout is not centered, or the place for the motor on the Scout is not centered. So this right here, center point where the motor was, there's about 20 inches there and about 18 or 17 inches there. So there's a little bit of a difference. So you gotta move the motor over. So yeah, we're gonna fab some motor mounts that I got from Welder Series in Canada. This little strap here is to make sure that my motor is level. This is about the point. I'm not sure if I should be going that way a little bit more, but I really don't want a motor that's like 2 inches off center. This right now is about half an inch off center, so I think that'll do just fine. The motor is low, so I emailed the guys that I got the motor mounts from, and they said it was fine, that it goes basically horizontal as long as I put the gussets underneath. And so we'll do that today so that I can move on, and then we can make a transmission mount. And I got this so that it's at an angle to hit that pretty well, but it is centered. So there you go. We'll see what happens. So after 2 days of work, I am showing you the motor mounts I welded in. The motor is a little lower than normal, so that's why these have almost a horizontal angle. But I called the guys that sold me this motor mount kit, and they said that was totally fine. And then I wanted to make a removable transmission brace, so made a little plate there, there. There's the transmission mount, and got some bolts underneath. You can see. So yeah, gonna take those jacks off right here and let it sit on the work that I've done. See the brakes.